Make fasting an everyday reminder. There is a verse in the Quran which says that the Quran was revealed in the month of Ramadan. This is why in the month of Ramadan, Muslims read the Quran. What should be the purpose of this reading? The reason is that you should be able to extract one lesson every day and apply it in your life. In the light of my experience, I believe that this should happen in a personalized way. Every person should think of an experience from his life and testify it through the Quran. This is the lesson I want to give to listeners today. Every day, try to learn one lesson from the Quran and adopt it in your life. Unless you personalize something, it will not become an effective part of your life. For example, today I remembered a moment which had a great lesson for me. I was in an Arabian country at that time. I was staying at a 5-star hotel. In the morning, every person went out eating a breakfast of their choice. They would return to their table with the food to eat. My table was placed adjacent to the window from which I could see the vast expanse of the ocean. On one hand was the building of the hotel, and on the other hand was the scene of the ocean. When I came to the breakfast area, I took some food for myself and came to take a seat near the window. Many people were busy eating. A unique incident happened with me when I took the breakfast of my choice and proceeded to the table. The moment I saw the food, I began to cry. I could not eat. Rather, I kept crying. I remember clearly that I was crying, but I do not remember the whole incident. Perhaps I was crying because delicious food was available there for free. But in the hereafter, nothing will be available like this. Rather, a person will get a reward or punishment based on his actions and deeds in this world. I realized that I had no deed to speak of, so what would be my state in the hereafter? If I am asked to leave at the gate of paradise because I do not have the ticket of good deeds, then what would happen to me? A similar incident happened with me a long time ago in Azamgarh. There was a school in Azamgarh. On a certain special day, sweets were being distributed to the students of the school. I thought the sweets were being given out to everyone, so I stood in the queue. When I reached the window, a staff member of the school asked me to provide my identity card. At that time, I didn't even know that there was something such as an identity card. I was bewildered and left the place. I realized that what would be my condition if in the hereafter I am asked to produce the identity card and I have nothing to present. So I could not eat breakfast that day in the hotel and left the place without eating anything at all. There are many such incidents in our life. We must search for these incidents and think about them. We must reflect what would happen when we stand before God in the hereafter. This is the true purpose of fasting. Every fasting day should bring a reminder of us of an incident from our life. Every day we should remember an incident from which we can draw a lesson. The month of Ramadan will then become a very important month for us. I urge all of you to think every day of a special event in your life and remind yourselves of it. We must note it down in our diaries. I pray to God to guide us to remember days from our life and write them down in our diary. Every day of our fasting should be a memorable day for us. May God guide us all to do this.